Hello friends, on this video how you can connect hotspot or how you can turn on hotspot on your OPPO mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, you have to move on setting, then after that here you can see connection and sharing option. Click on connection and sharing, then from here you can see personal hotspot. Okay, tap on this personal hotspot, and if you don't turn on this hotspot, then here is the personal hotspot. It says use a personal hotspot to share your Wi-Fi or mobile network connections. This may consume more mobile data and power. Okay, activate, and from here even you can change your personal hotspot also. See, okay, you can even type this your name also, and you can change your password also if you want to change. Okay, oh sorry, here is your password. You can change your password, and after that click on this tick mark. Okay, then from here you can just turn on your personal hotspot. And friends, you know that you can even check out your QR code. Okay, hotspot QR code. Here's your hotspot QR code. Just tap on QR code, then from here confirm your screen log. Then from here you can share to your friends by just taking screenshot. Okay, just capture your screenshot, then from here you can edit this one. Okay, if you want to share to your friends. Okay, just click on tick mark, and from here check out from the gallery. Okay, or from your photos. Okay, just click on the back, and here images, then move on these photos, and here's the share button. See, then you can share to your friends, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Okay, where you want to share your QR code. Okay, you can share easily like this. And friends, if you want to connect Wi-Fi, then hotspot, then first of all you have to turn on your mobile data, turn off Wi-Fi, and turn on hotspot. Then from here turn on Wi-Fi, then from here just select this network, select your Wi-Fi, and here's the OPPO Mesa. Okay, click on OPPO Mesa, and from here you can connect through password and even QR code also if you want to connect your Wi-Fi. Okay, from this mobile phone. So this is how you can connect even a hotspot or mobile phone hotspot Wi-Fi through mobile data or through hotspot. Okay, on your OPPO phone or on any devices. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.